Hey guys, so I classically just lost my entire recording, but it's quite short, so we can quickly do this again. We're going to start from scratch with a new Angular 6 application. This is the quickest and my preferred choice for using FontAwesome. There are a few different ways, but this is one I've definitely settled on now. So while we create the new app there, we'll now go into the folder and get the FontAwesome packages. I'll put these commands alongside a screencast, and they're done. I'll open Visual Code folder. Oops, sorry, that's not Visual Code, that's the Finder. So we need to open up our app.module and do the following imports. I'll take the FontAwesomeModule, it's again the import section. We can now load our app. And it'll open a new browser window for us. So here, it should be a fresh app with no errors. FontAwesome's ready, but I haven't included any icons. So if we go back to Visual Code, there's a few to demo here, and we can see those appearing there. You see there's the spin and rotate attributes used. There's also the size to make things larger. There's more documentation on a link I'll include. This also works on subcomponents, so if we quickly generate a new component, include that within our page here. We'll copy the icons again, and we're not serving, so I'll serve our application again, and we should then see the FontAwesome icons. Oh, I didn't save that. There we go. So we've got our component also displaying them with no extra imports needed, as it's already been done in app.module. I'll try and save this recording there. Cheers for watching.